Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Brandon the Car Guy here, bringing you a quick how-to video on the all-new Audi MMI, the multimedia interface here. I'm sitting in a 2026 Audi A6. You're going to find this on the redesigned A5, Q5, S5, Q6 e-tron, A6 e-tron, basically anything 25 and 26. You'll find this beautiful OLED display. So today I'm going to be going over the climate controls in this vehicle. Okay, there's no more hard touch, hard push buttons, unfortunately. I know, a lot of people aren't a big fan of that, but hopefully after this video, you can maybe learn to like this a little bit better. It is very, very easy, very straightforward. There's some great voice commands that you can use. Basically, everything can be controlled by voice, and I'll show you some other hidden features. Okay, so let's just jump into it. If you're liking these how-to videos, if they're helpful, if you want to see more, hit that like button, subscribe for to get more videos coming to you. And then comment down below what you would like to see from your Audi. If it's this generation, if it's the dual screen generation, or if it's the floating tablet generation. Just let me know. Would love to hear from you. But let's just jump into it. So kind of starting left to right here. You have your off button. So this is going to shut off your climate on and off. You can do this by voice just by saying the phrase, "Hey Audi," and then she'll pop up. You'll kind of see her listening to me here. Ready to take your command. Recirculation, heated seats, ventilated seats. I can individually move the temperature or swipe left and right. So that's a nice little trick. My auto climate control is going to basically make my Audi control the climate control for me. So I just set the temperature, hit auto, and then it will do the fan and distribution. AC on and off. Okay. This is where it's honestly kind of a little bit tedious to get to your fan speed. So you hit menu, and then from menu, you're going to get your air distribution per side. Okay, I can do auto, left and right, heated steering wheel, AC max, and sync. But this is where my fan is. I can also swipe left and right or ask my car to increase the fan speed to whatever number. If I go into confirm comfort assist, I can ask it to heat my hands, heat my feet, cool my feet, or give me fresh air. So that is quite nice. Then if you are in an executive car or just something with rear climate controls, in here I can adjust everyone's climate controls. I can also turn on child locks. So I can do this on the A6, not the Q5 or the A5. Heated rear seats and also the rear climate. If I go back to front here, that'll take me there. If I hit the X, that goes off. I have my front defroster, my rear defroster. This vehicle does have the heated side mirrors as well. Same thing with my side temperature or passenger temperature, left and right, or individually click up or down for your temp. Ventilated and heated seats, and they can run at the same time, which is very, very cool. Okay, so I wanted to show you that. Not bad, right? Yes, you do have to touch the screen. However, any of these things on this, any of these icons on the bottom of the screen can be accessed via your voice assistant. So I'm going to try it now and see if it doesn't ruin the video. Hopefully it doesn't, but let's give it a whirl. Hey, Audi. Hey, Audi. Let me try hitting the button. Come on. What did I say? See, I told you it was going to ruin the video. Give it one more go here. Let's shut it off, turn it back on. She's being a little shy. Click it again.
How can I help you?
Turn on my heated seat.
Okay, I am setting the seat heating to 3.
There you go. Hey, Audi. Turn on the front defroster.
I am turning on the defrost.
There you go. So things like that. So I'm in accessory mode right now. I'm on the showroom of our dealership here, and so it was being a little weird, but I was able to get her to work. So the Audi voice assistant, we'll save that for another video. It's not perfect by any means, but I will also give you some tips and tricks in another video. So if you want to see that, let me know down in the comments. So you can do that, basically any of these icons by voice. However, there's a hidden feature. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons that are customizable. So all I have to do that is push and hold, and it brings up the customizable functions screen. So these are the 4 buttons that I just pointed out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what currently is selected. You have these 3 icons that I can move down here that are currently available to use. So if I want to move the heated steering wheel down here, I can do that. And then if I hit OK, it will pop up down there. Okay, so you have these two buttons customizable, these two buttons customizable. Push and hold any of them and you'll get the customizable functions screen. Okay, heated steering wheel's here, so honestly it's kind of pointless to have it there. I think usually what it comes standard with is probably the best functionality. So yeah, so that is the Audi climate controls that are built into the OLED display. Let me know if you have any questions, if you'd like to see any other videos in your Audi, if it's this generation or the previous generation, just let me know down in the comments. And sorry for that little hiccup with the Audi Assistant, but I was able to get it work. We're only human, so we're going to leave everything in and just show that technology is imperfect. So sometimes we have to take that in consideration when owning these beautiful German vehicles. So other than that, thank you guys so much, and I will see you on the next one. We're almost to 1,500, so that's awesome. Thank you guys, and have some fun with your Audi, Mercedes, or Porsche, and let me know what you want to see next. Cheers, everybody. Take it easy.